Welcome back to Host Merchant Services, your go-to channel for all things in finance and technology. Today, we have got something truly exciting lined up for you. In this fast-paced digital era, making money through mobile apps has never been easier, and we're here to guide you through the best options available in 2023. Whether you're looking for a side hustle hoping to boost your income, or even considering a full-blown financial transformation, you're in the right place. We've scoured the app stores and done the research, so you don't have to. From cashback rewards to freelancing gigs, we've handpicked the top money-making apps that deserve your attention this year. These apps offer diverse opportunities, and we'll be diving deep into each one, showing you how they work and how you can make the most of them. So, if you're ready to unlock the potential of your smartphone and discover the top money-making apps of 2023, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Swagbucks, earning rewards for simple tasks. Swagbucks is a multifunctional mobile application that incentivizes users through various uncomplicated online activities. This user-friendly platform offers opportunities such as participating in surveys, watching videos, and online shopping, all of which can earn you valuable Swagbucks. These Swagbucks can be converted into practical rewards, including gift cards or PayPal cash, providing users with a hassle-free way to boost their earnings. Whether you have spare moments throughout the day or are looking for an effortless way to earn extra income, Swagbucks caters to a wide range of preferences and offers a simple and accessible path to rewards. It's an excellent choice for those seeking a convenient and flexible method to supplement their income with minimal effort. Fiverr, freelancing your skills. Fiverr is a renowned platform that serves as a hub for freelancers to showcase their skills and expertise. It caters to a diverse range of professionals, including writers, graphic designers, and digital marketers, offering them the opportunity to connect with a global client base. One of Fiverr's key advantages is its flexibility, allowing freelancers to establish their pricing structures and handpick projects that align with their strengths and interests. This autonomy empowers freelancers to tailor their work to their preferences, enabling them to create a fulfilling and lucrative freelance career. Fiverr's user-friendly interface and extensive client reach make it an attractive option for individuals looking to leverage their skills and thrive in the world of freelancing. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, Fiverr opens doors to a world of freelance opportunities. Robinhood, investing made easy. Robinhood is a user-friendly investment application designed to simplify the process of buying and selling various financial assets like stocks, ETFs, change-traded funds, and cryptocurrencies. One of its standout features is that it offers these services with no commission fees, making it an attractive choice for both novice and experienced investors. This platform has become a game-changer in the world of investing by eliminating the traditional barriers to entry, such as high transaction costs. With Robinhood, users can easily create and manage their investment portfolios right from their smartphones. Its intuitive interface and educational resources make it particularly appealing to those new to investing, offering a seamless experience. Robinhood empowers individuals to take control of their financial futures, providing access to a wide range of investment options without the burden of excessive fees. Whether you're interested in building a diversified stock portfolio or exploring the world of cryptocurrencies, Robinhood makes investing accessible and affordable for everyone. Upwork, freelance marketplace. Upwork stands as a highly regarded freelance marketplace, acting as a bridge between businesses seeking specialized services and talented professionals across diverse fields such as web development, writing, and marketing. This platform offers freelancers an extensive array of opportunities to secure projects that align with their expertise. One of the platform's remarkable features is the ability for freelancers to bid on projects that match their skills and interests. This empowers individuals to select projects they are passionate about and excel in, ensuring both job satisfaction and quality work delivery. Moreover, Upwork provides a secure payment system, offering peace of mind to freelancers regarding timely compensation. For businesses, Upwork simplifies the process of finding the right professionals for their projects, making it an ideal platform to access a global pool of talent. As a freelancer, Upwork offers you the chance to cultivate a reliable income stream while working on projects that resonate with your skills and interests. Rakuten, cashback and shopping deals. Rakuten is a cashback app that revolutionizes online shopping by offering users a unique way to save money. By partnering with a wide array of online retailers, Rakuten provides shoppers with the opportunity to earn cashback rewards on their purchases. The process is remarkably straightforward. Users simply access their desired retailer through Rakuten's platform and shop as usual. In return, Rakuten rewards them with a percentage of their total purchase price as cashback. What sets Rakuten apart is its extensive network of retail partners, ranging from popular e-commerce giants to niche specialty stores. Over time, these cashback rewards can accumulate significantly, representing a substantial saving for the savvy shopper. Rakuten provides a user-friendly and convenient way to maximize your online shopping experience by transforming everyday purchases into tangible financial benefits. Whether you're buying essentials or indulging in a splurge, Rakuten's cashback incentives can help you save money effortlessly while enjoying the convenience of online shopping. Acorns, micro-investing for everyone. Acorns is a user-friendly mobile app that makes investing accessible to everyone, even if you have limited funds or little investment experience. The concept behind Acorns is simple yet powerful. It rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and automatically invests the spare change in a diversified portfolio. This micro-investing approach means that you can start building your investment portfolio without having to set aside significant amounts of money. It's a painless way to save and invest as it happens seamlessly in the background. Acorns offers various portfolio options, allowing you to choose the level of risk that suits your financial goals. By harnessing the power of small, consistent contributions, Acorns helps you grow your investments over time. It's an ideal choice for individuals looking to dip their toes into the world of investing without the stress of large financial commitments. Acorns simplifies the process of building wealth, making it accessible to everyone. Airbnb, hosting and earning. Airbnb is a revolutionary platform that empowers individuals to transform their spare rooms, apartments, or properties into lucrative income sources. Hosts can list their accommodations on Airbnb and rent them out to travelers from around the world. This presents an exceptional opportunity to generate income from unused or underutilized space while also fostering cultural exchange and connections with people from diverse backgrounds. The process is straightforward. Hosts create listings with detailed descriptions and photos of their spaces, set their prices, and specify availability. Travelers can then search for accommodations that suit their needs and preferences. Airbnb handles booking transactions, making it secure and convenient for both hosts and guests. Hosting on Airbnb not only provides a source of income, but also allows hosts to showcase their hospitality and local knowledge. It's an excellent way to meet new people, receive positive reviews, and build a steady stream of income through short-term rentals. Airbnb's global reach and user-friendly platform make it an attractive choice for anyone looking to monetize their extra space. Etsy, selling handmade and vintage items. Etsy is an e-commerce platform tailor-made for artisans, crafters, collectors, and creators of unique handmade and vintage items. It provides a specialized marketplace where individuals can sell their one-of-a-kind creations, vintage treasures, and crafts to a global audience of appreciative buyers. For crafters and artisans, Etsy offers an exceptional platform to showcase their talents and turn their creations into a source of income. It's an ideal space to display handcrafted jewelry, clothing, home decor, art, and more. Etsy's user-friendly interface allows sellers to create personalized shops, upload high-quality images, and set their prices. What sets Etsy apart is its dedicated customer base, actively seeking distinct and personalized items. Shoppers visit Etsy for the purpose of discovering something unique and supporting independent creators. This inherent demand for individuality can result in a thriving business for sellers. Etsy provides a vibrant and supportive marketplace where sellers can turn their creative passions into profits. It's the perfect platform for anyone with a penchant for crafting or collecting looking to connect with a global audience eager to embrace their unique creations. Survey Junkie. Earn with surveys. Survey Junkie is a reputable survey platform that enables individuals to monetize their opinions. By participating in surveys on a wide range of topics, users can earn rewards in the form of gift cards or PayPal cash. This user-friendly platform offers a straightforward way to generate income from the comfort of your own home. Getting started with Survey Junkie is simple. Users create an account, complete profile surveys to match with relevant surveys, and then provide their feedback on various products, services, or market trends. Each survey completed earns users points, which can be redeemed for popular gift cards or transferred to their PayPal accounts. Survey Junkie is an appealing option for those seeking a flexible and accessible way to earn extra income. Whether you have spare moments during your day or want to maximize your downtime, Survey Junkie provides a reliable platform for sharing your thoughts and receiving tangible rewards in return. It's a win-win opportunity for individuals looking to have their opinions valued and their wallets padded. Amazon Flex. Flexible delivery gigs. Amazon Flex is a versatile delivery program that provides individuals with opportunities to earn money on their own terms. By using their own vehicles, typically cars, drivers can deliver Amazon packages and parcels while enjoying the flexibility to choose their work hours. This makes Amazon Flex an appealing choice for those looking to supplement their income with part-time work. Getting started with Amazon Flex is relatively straightforward. Drivers sign up for the program, select their preferred delivery blocks, and use the Amazon Flex app to navigate their deliveries efficiently. The platform offers competitive earnings, which can be especially beneficial for individuals seeking additional income without committing to a full-time job. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or someone with a few extra hours to spare, Amazon Flex allows you to leverage your time and vehicle for financial gain. It's an excellent choice for those who appreciate the freedom to work when it suits them, providing a convenient and flexible way to earn money while helping Amazon meet its delivery demands. YouTube. Monetizing your content. YouTube, the world's largest video sharing platform, offers content creators a lucrative opportunity to monetize their videos. If you have a passion for creating engaging and entertaining content, YouTube allows you to turn your hobby into a source of income. Monetization on YouTube primarily occurs through two main channels: ad revenue and sponsorships. First, once your channel meets YouTube's eligibility criteria, you can enable ads on your videos. You earn a portion of the advertising revenue generated when viewers watch or click on ads displayed in your videos. This income increases as your channel gains more views and subscribers. Second, sponsorships can be a significant source of revenue. Brands may partner with YouTubers to promote their products or services within video content. In return, you receive compensation from these collaborations. YouTube's vast user base and monetization options make it a compelling platform for aspiring content creators to turn their passion into a profitable venture. With dedication, creativity, and consistency, you can build a successful YouTube channel and generate income while sharing your unique content with a global audience. Coinbase, cryptocurrency trading. Coinbase stands out as a user-friendly and accessible platform for individuals interested in trading cryptocurrencies. In a world where digital currencies are gaining increasing popularity, Coinbase provides a secure and straightforward way for both novice and experienced traders to engage in the crypto market. Cryptocurrency trading on Coinbase involves buying, selling, and holding various digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Users can create accounts, link their payment methods, and start trading with ease. Coinbase offers a user-friendly interface, making it particularly attractive to those new to the crypto space. However, it's essential to note that cryptocurrency trading carries inherent risks due to market volatility. While there's potential for significant financial gains, there's also the possibility of losses. Therefore, individuals should approach cryptocurrency trading with caution and conduct thorough research before investing. Coinbase provides a gateway for individuals to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrencies and potentially grow their wealth. Still, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of the market dynamics and risks associated with crypto trading to make informed investment decisions. In 2023, there's no shortage of opportunities to make money through mobile apps. Whether you prefer freelance work, investing, or simply earning rewards for everyday tasks, these top money-making apps offer a range of options to boost your income. Embrace the digital age and explore these apps to unlock your financial potential.